In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Android smartphone or tablet to your Brother MFC-L2900DW, how to print any documents you have over here using Wi-Fi, and also how to get the scanned result files directly on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First step is you need to connect the printer on the same Wi-Fi network as the one that you're currently using on your Android phone. Under main control panel, if you don't see what I see right now, press the home button. You're gonna tap on the Wi-Fi icon right over here. Right now there is a question mark simply because it's not connected to any Wi-Fi. So by tapping over here, I'll be able to select Find Wi-Fi Network, the first option. Wait a few seconds and it will search for all the networks that are currently around the printer. You'll be able to scroll up and down and find your network. Tap on it once you have found it, press OK, and now type the password of the network. You can use capital letters over here, or if your password has numbers, you can also do this. Same thing for symbols. Then press OK. Wait a few seconds, and you're going to get this confirmation message, connected, signifying that the printer is now connected to your Wi-Fi network. Go on the Play Store, the Google Play Store app, tap the search icon, and then you need to find the Brother Mobile Connect app. There's multiple Brother apps for different printers, but this model is only compatible with the Brother Mobile Connect. Open the app. Now, I already have a printer added to this app, but to add a new one, you simply have to click on the top right corner on the printer icon. Add machine. Add your machine to the app. And then select your printer MFC-L2900DW. Go down this list. And here you can click on continue or skip registration, and don't send me any discounts or offer if you don't want to be bothered by Brother sending you emails. All right, once you have click over here, they'll ask you, are you sure? Well, obviously I am. I don't want to receive any spam. So you can tap on the small X over there. Click on continue. They will try to sell you their subscription service. Over here, I'll select reject all. Go down, skip for now. And you're going to get the green check mark, signifying that both your smartphone, your Android, and your printer are now connected. Click on exit setup. They will send you on their website. Go back to the app. They were trying to sell you their subscription service. I'm really sorry that you have to go through all these steps. I didn't do it, Brother did it. And finally, if there is an update available for your printer, they will ask you to install it. So simply press OK if you see this screen appearing. Finally, we are on the main menu screen of the app. To print a document or a picture, there's these two options over here. And to scan, you have this button. I will show you everything, don't worry. So let me print a PDF document. If it's a picture, select photo. Find the document on your phone. I have opened a PDF file. A preview will appear. It has 2 pages in my case. And then you can press the cogwheel over here and change a few settings. One important one, well, obviously the paper size, but also if you want to print on both sides of the page or not. So click on two-sided and select flip on the long edge or flip on the short edge if you want to print on both sides. Quality, leave it to normal. Unless you're printing pictures or something with very fine details, then you can select fine. If I go back, I simply press the print button. And here we go. My page came out nicely. Now, how do you scan? This printer has an automatic document feeder on the top and a scanner glass. If you're going to input paper on the scanner glass, you're going to put your paper facing down. This is the part I want to scan, let's say, and with the top part of your document towards the left side. Then you need to align the top left corner of your page with the top left corner of the scanner. So make sure both of them are touching, and then close the lid. If you want to load paper in the automatic document feeder, first of all, extend this flap, because the paper, once it got scanned, will come out of here, and if you don't do this, there is a chance that it will fall on the ground or on the table. You're going to take your document. Here I have one page, the first one that is on both sides, and the second page only on one side, but obviously you can have many more pages. Align them, and you're going to place them with the first page facing up and the top part of the document towards the left side. Make sure there's no staples. You're going to insert it until you hear a beep. Here we go. Now take your phone, and on the main menu you're going to click on Scan. It will detect automatically where you have put your document. You can choose if you want to scan in color or black and white, the document size, and this is important. If you want to scan on both sides of the page automatically, you need to select flip on the long edge or flip on the short edge. This is what I will do. And then you have resolution, just leave it like this. Press the scan button and the process will begin. At the end, take a look at your screen. You're going to get all the pages on your display. As you see, the last one is blank. This is because I have selected to scan on both sides, and the last page is only printed on one side. You can delete any pages by clicking the X button. You can add more pages if you want, or press the Done button. Here you can click this icon in case you want to crop. Okay, let's say you just want to keep the top one, whatever, or rotate your page. And before saving or sharing, I suggest you click the cogwheel. You'll be able to give this file a new name, something more relatable. So you can say, I don't know, my scan 67. Choose which kind of a file you wish to have, JPEG or PDF. And at the end, well, you have these two obvious choices: to save the file on your Android device, or to share it with your favorite contacts or in an app. Thanks for watching my video. If you found it useful, take a moment and comment down below. Subscribe. Check my Amazon links if you want to get some toner for this printer. I have put some links, also some paper, or even a brand new printer. Every time you purchase through my links, you support my channel, since I get a very small commission from Amazon and it helps going on. See you in the next video.